Hey curl friends, we've all been there, staring in the mirror wondering what are these curls up to today? One minute it's a good curl day and the next minute, well, let's not even go there. The struggle is real. Managing curly hair can be a journey, am I right? But guess what? I'm here to share some top tips to help you embrace your natural texture and rock those curls with confidence. Let's talk about the foundation of a great hair care routine: shampoo. When it comes to curls, it's all about moisture. The enemy? Harsh sulfates. They strip away natural oils, leaving your curls dry and brittle. Look for shampoos that are specifically labeled sulfate-free. Trust me, your curls will thank you. Sulfate-free shampoos cleanse your scalp gently without stripping away those precious natural oils. You might be thinking, but won't my hair feel clean without all those suds? Believe me, a gentle sulfate-free shampoo will cleanse your hair and scalp without drying them out. Think of it like this. You wouldn't wash your delicate silk blouse with a harsh detergent, right? Your curls deserve that same kind of TLC, so ditch the sulfates and embrace the gentle side of hair care. Remember, healthy, hydrated curls start with the right shampoo. Treat your curls to some love. We've tackled the shampoo situation, now let's dive into conditioners and treatments. After you've gently cleansed your hair, it's time to replenish moisture and give those curls the nourishment they crave. Smooth a generous amount of conditioner through your hair, focusing on the ends. Leave that conditioner in for a few minutes. Those few minutes make all the difference. While you're waiting, use a wide-tooth comb or your fingers to gently detangle your hair, working from the ends up to the roots. For an extra boost of hydration, try incorporating a deep conditioning treatment into your routine once or twice a week. These treatments penetrate deep into the hair shaft, delivering intense moisture and strengthening your curls. Let's talk about detangling. The key is to be gentle and work smarter, not harder. Never detangle your hair when it's dry. Dry detangling is a recipe for breakage and frizz. Always detangle your hair when it's wet and saturated with conditioner. The conditioner provides slip, making it easier for the comb to glide through your curls without snagging. Put down that brush. Brushes are too harsh for our delicate curls. Instead, opt for a wide tooth comb or your fingers. I love using my fingers because it allows me to feel my hair and gently work through any knots. Start by sectioning your hair into manageable sections. Then, starting at the ends, gently work your way up to the roots, using gentle downward motions. Patience is key. Detangling takes time, especially if your hair is prone to tangles. Take your time and be gentle with your curls. Let's talk about heat styling. Heat can be damaging to our curls, especially if we're not careful. But you can still achieve amazing styles without relying on heat. One of my favorite heat-free styling techniques is braid outs. Just wash and condition your hair, then braid your hair into your desired braid style while it's still wet. Once your hair is completely dry, gently unravel the braids, separate the curls, and voila! Gorgeous, defined curls without using any heat. Another great heat-free option is twist outs. Twist sections of your hair while it's wet and allow it to dry completely. Once dry, unravel the twists, separate the curls, and get ready to rock those bouncy, voluminous curls. Buns and updos are perfect for quick and easy protective styles. Gather your hair into a high bun or try a chic low bun for a more elegant look. Accessorize with headbands, scarves, or barrettes to add a touch of personality. Heat-free styling is all about embracing your natural texture and giving your curls a break from heat damage. Experiment with different techniques and find what works best for you and your curls. Let's talk products. The world of curly hair products can be overwhelming, but I'm here to share some of my holy grail products that have worked wonders for my curls. First up, leave-in conditioners. These are essential for adding moisture and keeping your curls hydrated throughout the day. My favorite is, it's lightweight, smells divine, and leaves my curls feeling soft and defined. Next, curl definers. These enhance your natural curl pattern and minimize frizz. I'm obsessed with. It gives my curls the perfect amount of hold without feeling crunchy. For those wash days when my curls need extra TLC, I reach for a deep conditioning mask. My go-to is, it leaves my curls feeling incredibly soft, manageable, and healthy. Finally, no curly hair routine is complete without a good hair oil. I love using to seal in moisture, add shine, and tame flyaways. Just a few drops transform my curls from dry and frizzy to shiny and defined. So there you have it, curl friends. My top tips and tricks for mastering your curls with ease. Remember, embracing your natural texture is a journey, and it's all about finding what works best for you and your unique curls. Go ahead and try out these tips, and don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with your hair. Share your experiences in the comments below. What are your go-to products and styling secrets? Let's create a curl-loving community and support each other on this journey. Embrace those curls and see you next time.